Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install any FitGirl Repack game without errors. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection on the left side. On right side select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And now just to minimize this page and double click on the setup and select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then just need to check mark this option, guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage, and make sure nothing is running in the background. And then select the next option and select next again, and select the location where you want to save this game, and then select next. Uncheck this optional language, guys. If you want one of these language, then you can actually check mark it. If you doesn't want, then additional voiceovers you can uncheck it. Other things checked and select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and then scroll down. Select the add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select the add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder where you installed. I saved in C drive games folder, and here is the game. After selecting the game folder, select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. And then go back and turn on the real-time protection and just click on S, and that's all you have to do. Just to close stuff here and uncheck these option, open site, redirect site, and then select the finish option. As you can see, all files are okay and there is no bad or no missing files are there. Now just to close stuff here and install the DirectX. In languages, you can select a very specific language over here and then select the play option. As you can see, the game launched successful, and now you will never face a game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.